Here goes the review for dual camera rotating lens from Whistler. This is model D2200. Let's see what it is. We're gonna unbox it soon.
We're gonna open the box to see what's inside now. As you can see, we are just slicing the
salami
open.
So let's see what's in it. There we go. I don't know, it's very hard to open these boxes, am I right? So I'm trying to be a little bit creative to see if I can really easily open it instead of ripping up the whole thing. Okay. Very hard, pretty hard to open it. Probably it's gonna take 20 minutes to open it. Stay tuned. Oh, there we go. We found the easy way to do it. Oh boy, this is way easier than ripping off the box. Just slice it underneath. Cut the corners. Okay, hopefully I didn't rip off the camera on the other side. Let's see. You gotta find. Oh wow. There we go. Did I cut my fingers? No. Hey, is it the right side? Both sides is dull. Okay, this is the sharpest one. Both sides were dull, but this is the... Woohoo! Look what we found. It still is tied up here. We can open it. Okay. We go for plan B. Rip it up! There you go. Camera up there. Woo! Oh my God. I damaged the camera. Woo! There we go. This looks like a robot. Okay, so we got a car charger here. Okay, this one is good. It's USB charger. Very good. Oh, graphite on the sides, which I suction cup. Okay, it's soft plastic. This is good. Soft plastic is good. The camera itself. Oh. The lenses have cover, and supposedly I'm supposed to turn this around. Oh, I can record from the side too. You don't want to do the front of the car. Okay, one here, one goes to the back, I believe. I can turn it. Oh, a little bit difficulty turning it. Woo, there we go. So I can do it like this. Very good. Okay, happy. Okay, so oh, there we go. That's how we're gonna mount it, I think. Nope, this way, other way. Then tie it up here. Okay, and a USB charger for transferring file, probably. A manual. It's not manual, it's manual. And where's the sticker? I missed it. Okay, that's where I'm gonna charge it from for sound. If you want to connect it with microphone, power, I don't know what E stands for, maybe equalizer. Oh, there you go, that's the SD card. It comes with a 16 gigabyte SD card, no name, nothing on it. I had one 8 gigabyte that it died. Okay, and that's where the Whistler is. Very good. Okay, here are the features of this Dashcam. Built-in camera with infrared LEDs. Record inside and outside of the vehicle. Full and split screen option. That means this. The screen can split like because of the cameras, or it could be full. So high definition, we know that 1080p 25 frames per second. Or 720 30 second frame per second. That looks like a DVD player. And 120-degree viewing angle, 2.7-inch LCD monitor. That would be that guy. 2.7. There we go. Seamless loop recording. That's the normal function for Dashcam. They all have to have that. So that's not a big deal. 16 gigabyte micro SD card included. Yeah, we know it's included, but I don't trust those no name because I had one 8 gigabyte came with my other dash cam and it died after 2 weeks. 12 megapixel camera. Well, that's supposed to be high definition, like we should see a lot of resolution. Adjustable digital zoom. We can zoom then. G sensor is good. If somebody hits you, the camera is supposed to start recording. Parking monitor function. I wanted to see what is that. I really don't know what's it. Motion detection function. That should be good because if somebody hits you, jump in front of car or something, if the camera is off, it's supposed to come back live. My other camera doesn't do it. And AV jack out. AV out jack. Sorry. That means that you can attach a microphone to this guy and put the microphone somewhere else to hear it. Anyhow, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, this is Whistler model D2200. Gonna turn it on. As you can see, there are two lenses on this camera, dash cam. One is lens 1 and then is lens 2. It's not very clear here, but okay, it shows that is recording mode. That's white balance, EV, and we have to go through it. Okay, I'm gonna go to menu. As you can see, you can set up the resolution, exposure, white balance, and loop recording. Loop recording, like, is size of the file. You're gonna go through this. Resolution, you can set up the picture to high definition or VGA or less than that, whatever it's gonna be. Okay, set that one. Then exposure, 1, 2, 3. That's what we saw on the main screen. So white balance, daylight, cloudy, whatever. I put it on auto. And loop recording is the size. It generates a 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes file. It depends on your choice, or you can turn it off. I don't know what that does. I haven't done it yet. Then motion detection. This one you could set it on or off. Motion detection, if there is something moves in front of the camera, dash cam, it will start recording. Then record audio, you can turn on the audio. Sorry. And G sensor, that's when if somebody hit the car or there is heavy movement in the car, it will turn on the camera. Okay. Then is parking monitor. This one is if you set it on high, any movement gonna trigger the camera to turn on. I suggest to put it medium or low. This is for if you park the car and somebody moves in front of the car, then it will turn on by itself. The camera will turn on by itself. Then we have resolution that we were here. Now what we're gonna do, go to settings. You can see you can set up the time and date and time, auto power off, beep sound, we can turn it on and turn it on. Language, there are various variety of languages: English, Mandarin, Cantonese, I don't know, Japanese, French, Espanol, Portuguese, Dutch, and Polish, Netherlands, Italiano, Turkish, Russian, etc. Hopefully I wasn't wrong. Okay, let's go back to English. Here it is. Then we go to screensaver. If you want to set the screensaver after a few seconds, it goes to screen-saving. Frequency, it has something to do with the resolution of the pictures and the video. Usually it's on 50. We can set it in 60 if your TV requires that. Then the TV mode is PAL and NTSC. North America is NTSC. Asia is PAL. So format, that's formatting the hard drive, SD card, sorry. We are formatting it now. Okay, there we go. And default setting is a factory default. It resets the dash cam. And the version, this you will verify here the version of your firmware. And if you want to upgrade it, that's how you verify what version you are at. Okay, we get out of here, press menu. Then we have the E here. This goes to picture mode. This E here takes you to picture mode. And once again, I can't remember how did I. Okay. Go back. Hopefully this can do it. No, it doesn't want to do it. Okay. Okay, now that playing with us doesn't want to do it. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is a picture mode. If you want to take a picture, you can click OK. There we go. It takes a picture. Then you can toggle back to playback mode. If you have any video or any picture, you can monitor it here. Then one more time we exit. So this is in video recording mode. It's not recording right now, but once I play OK, it's gonna start recording. You're gonna see the red dot. It's gonna start playing. There we go. And right now, unfortunately, low battery. Yep. So that was it.